So you can see we have got this reservoir over here, and you can see this is the inlet manifold, right? From where manifold, what is the role of manifold? It is distribution. So you can see all the pipes are going for the distribution for different functions, right? For different pump motors, right? And you can see over here also, this is the thermometer and the level gauge. From the level gauge, you can see how much the level is. From the side also, you can see that yellow color fluid is there. Yes. That is ISO 681. Clear or not clear? Right. And you can see that white one over there. That is the breathers. I told you. So what is the role of the breathers? Breathers is so that if there is more air inside the tank, so it can go outside, right? So there. This is again the view from here. Now you can see clearly the pumps. Clear? So these are the hydrostatic pumps. Now you can see clearly. This is pump 1, pump 2, and above that is the charge pump, right? Yes. This red one, what is this red one? Filter. Yes, this is the return filter. So that red one is the return filter, right? And you can see above, now you can see clearly that is the breather. Yeah, breather. That is the breathers, right? So this is the return filter, and above is the tank, right? So, and you can see over here all the pipes from here you can see are coming over there. So these are what I was saying, these are the cutoff valves. So these are all the cutoff valves over here, which I've shown you in the classroom also. So these are the cutoff valves. Clear? Yes, clearly. So this is the location, right? From here it is going down. So is not visible. We have to go over there. See from here. It is visible or not visible?
Visible, sir.
So now you can see there is the motor and this is the motor valve. These are the motor valves, red in color. So this is the motor valves. Over there is the motor in which the pipes is going, right? And from the motor, it is connected to the gearbox, a gearbox to the axle.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So this is the location of the hydrostatic motor over here. So over here also and at the back also you can see. On both the axles,
another motor, sir. For
charge pump, then motor, then gearbox.
No. Charge pump is different thing. Charge pump is for clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
So this is also you can see over here, right? All the connections. This is all hydrostatic. Yes, sir. Where the pipes are going, that is the motor. And then this is the gearbox over here, this one. This one is a gearbox. And you can see the level over there is there, na? That is for the checking the gear oil. Gear oil over there. And these are the yellow one is the wheel chokes. Because both of these axles are powered one. You can see inside the same arrangement is over here also.
This axle on motor on gearbox.
Yes.
This axle on motor on gearbox.
Yes. You can see this is the, now we have put in a switch on condition.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, battery on. Right? So battery on, this is all connected with the battery only, these lights. Now we'll go inside and see how the, you come over here. Sir, andar aa jao ek baar. I'll show it to you. You can see like this now. This is hydrostatic pumps from here you can see. For the maintenance, you can see the location of the hydrostatic pump. Wait. This is the alarm summary. right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is what the alarm is coming, right? So over here is the alarm, and from here the alarm sound, alarm alert will come. Now I'll say the sound will come and teet, teet, teet. So this is the alarm alert button, right? Now you can see over here, I can acknowledge alarm from here also, right? So
Acknowledge.
this is the acknowledge alarm.
Yes, sir.
If I want to see all my alarms, though where I have to come?
Acknowledge summary.
Yes, alarm summary. Same thing.
Diagnostic summary.
Yes.
Okay,
So
sir.
you can see here I can have the, if I want to see only my urgent alarm, so only urgent alarm is coming in red color, that is the power car hydraulic carriage pressure low. If I want to see the caution message, I have shown you the caution, critical alarm. So if I want to see the caution message, all the caution messages are coming, right? And if I show on all, so all my alarms will be coming over here at what time and what description about that, till disabled, till disabled, till disabled. So we have to rectify that what is the problem coming. Clear or not clear?
Okay,
Right?
sir.
So I can check all the alarm, but I can't delete the alarm. You have to correct the problem, then only automatically it will get cleared.
Vanished. It will be vanished, sir. It will be vanished.
Yes, yes. Right, clear. This is what you can see over here. It is written machine overview screen, which I have told you in the class.
Yes.
Machine overview screen, you can see everywhere there is a cross, but over here no cross is
cross
there.
is there.
Because this is always enabled. Clear everyone? Right. Now since the machine is still, so we have got 0, otherwise it will be the speedometer, the time, the power, grinding speed potentiometer, and from where this is the GSP over here, the grind speed potentiometer. From here we can set the grinding speed, and when we are setting, so we can see over here that what is the value coming. Clear or not clear? Here we are moving, but the value will be changing over here. This is the kilometer post and this is the odometer reading.
Odometer. Okay.
Right? And now you can see that this is the direction and this is the spray system over here. Right? So now you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see one thing like this. So his right will be the machine right.
Machine
So
right.
don't get confused, sir, which is right, which is left. So if the operator is sitting like this, so my left will be left and my right will be the right. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Right. So now you can see this is the direction, in which direction is there. So the this mark is over here. That means we are moving in a forward direction. Right. Angles, your tilt angle, for example 66, 69, whatever might be. So these are the angles. If it is in place, that means it is towards the gauge side. If it is, I mean, sir, don't touch because they are working now. And if it is in minus position, that means it is towards the field side.
Yes, sir.
Clear? And here is the stored value. You can see sequence memory on, sequence memory of which I have told you in the class. Whenever we have to do the multiple passes, the machine records the passes and automatically do the grinding for you, right? So we can have the memory stored. And this is the pattern number 20 for the left rail, pattern number 20 for the right rail, and this is the pending pattern for the next pass, right? This I'll tell you in the next week, right? Over here you can see this is the engine and the generator parameters. So you can see 1800 RPM it is coming around, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
this is the engine oil pressure, engine coolant temperature, what is the fuel consumption, what is the total. For example, 7243 liters total diesel is been consumed in 355 engine hours. Clear or not clear?
Clear,
This is
sir.
clearly mentioned over here, and the same parameter you can see over here also. So this is for the engine parameter and this is for the generator parameter over here, right? So same thing is over here also and over. This is for the engine parameters and this is for the generator parameters, right?
355 total engine running hour.
Yes, yes.
Some fast switch to today.
Yes. No, it depends. If you reset it, it will be starting point. For example, if there is मैन्यू चला गया, हैंग कर रहा है क्या थोड़ा? Start other menu. So these are the 4 main options. So if for example main menu, this is the main menu options. If I touch into the maintenance menu, you see now the options is changed. Clear, not clear?
Yes, sir.
If I touch this calibration menu, this one, see now again the menu is being changed. So what I was saying is this is the fixed menu and this is changing as per I am changing over here. For example, this is the superintendent menu. Again, it is changed. So for example, main menu it is there. So main menu is basically used when I am. This is the most used one menu, because whenever we are traveling, grinding, every time we have to use this one only, right? So you can see over here, this is the engine and generator. So I have told you what is the engine and generator, right? If hydrostatic, I comes to the hydrostatic. So hydrostatic fuel level, it will tell you that what is the fuel, what is the pressure coming on. I have given you in the class now, so what is the pressure. Right now it is pressure is less, but when we drive, the pressure will keep on increasing. So pump 1 has a pressure of around 400 psi, 400 bars. I told you na, around 1800 psi, right? So everything you can see over here, that whether it is hydraulic A, manifold A, manifold B, everything is working perfectly or not, right? This is for the lights which I told you in the class.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So headlights, working lights, marker lights, rear cab lights, even the wipers, windshield wipers, right? This can be operated from here only. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Right?
There is a hydrostatic here, the backup hydrostatic. This alarm, this hydrostatic charge special low. It is high position. This alarm.
Water system also I have told you over here. So this is the tie spray. It's the same photos I have shown you in the classroom. So now you can see if I have to start with the water system. So first I have to put my pump in the on position. So my pump should be in a running condition. When my pump is in running condition, then I have to choose whether I have to do the tie spray or left ditch spray or the right ditch spray. When I'll teach the water, then I'll explain it in detail. Right? I'm just showing you the different screens. This is screen for the dust system. So manual is for the maintenance and auto is when we are doing the grinding. And then you put the blower in on position, it will start the suction, right? And then there is a purging. Purging also I'll tell you when I talk about the dust system in the class, right? Similarly, motor start stop, already I've told you in the class, right? Mode control is there. This will I will be teaching in the class. Open is whenever you are grinding for the curves and the tangent tracks. But if you are grinding on the switch, then as per we have to choose whether it is a frog or a guard. So likewise you have to choose it. CMS crossing, you know na?
Yes.
CMS crossing we call it frog.
Frog.
So if there is a CMS crossing on the left side, so over here we choose it frog. The other side will be the guardrail, so we choose the guard over here. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Right? CMS crossing is the frog over here. So we have to choose whether left rail is it is coming or right rail it is coming. So as per we have to choose, and if we are grinding on the curve and tangents, we choose it for the open track. And when whatever we choose, you can see over here also it is written open. On the machine overview screen, open it is written na, because we have chosen open over here. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Right. Similarly, we have the machine auto. So machine we can put in the auto mode also, in the manual mode also. During the grinding, it is always in the auto mode, so that automatically it can change the tilting, lifting, etc. Right. Module enable disable, I told you that we have to put our modules in up position or a down position. There we can have. Then we have the pattern entry over here, which I have shown you in the class. Same thing is over here also. In the machine overview screen, same thing is over here. So from here we can't feed, we can't edit. Edit is from here, but this is for viewing. That what the entries are there, we can see from here. Clear? Then there is a speedometer, so there is a screen speedometer. This is coming over here also, this is coming over here also. Clear or not clear? So similar thing over here also. And then coming on to the maintenance menu. So PLC input output cards I have shown in the class. You can see all our cards are in green. That means everything is okay. For example, I have to check this card, I open. So this will tell you that which card is this for. Understood? Not understood?
Understood, sir.
For example, I open this card. Now you can see all the details, that A manifold, transducer. So these are the parameters which are being used in this. Now you can see this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. That means no spark time is there. That means this is a fresh stone.
Fresh stone.
Right? And some are 118 spark. Clear or not clear? Yes.
So we have to put it manually, reset position.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Right now I am not touching anything, right? Because it will be reset position, right? So you can see manual auto lift, manual motor down, everything can be manual over here. And then comes the calibration button. Calibration also I'll teach you in the class, right? But we have the module tilt option. So right now you will not understand what is this, right? But I'll teach in the class.